decided to help Billy and the boys out a bit. So that's just what I did. The government of New Mexico was paying for the kid's apprehension. Garrett was able to hire every gun hand in Lincoln County. Garrett's men were running around like a bunch of chickens with their heads cut off.
Let's send these some bitches running!
Okay, now you're really pissing me off. Hey, I'll flank him. Send him to hell.
Still, one of them reached the water tower. Not a bad idea. It would be a turkey shoot from up there. Luckily, these shooters Garrett hired weren't the sharpest tools in the shed. The right position is very important. Personally, I prefer to be on top.
Oh, you do, do you?
Indeed, darling. But where was I? Oh, yeah. A lot of them were saddle tramps or sod busters or drunken drifters looking to make a few bucks. Then, I heard a friendly voice yelling at me from the window. Back door! We'll cover you!
Try aiming, you idiots!
Truth be told, things weren't much better behind the house. But that just made the ones that were left twice as mad. They made up for their lack of skill with a seemingly endless supply of ammo.
You can run, but you can't hide! Now put them down!
It was a bit of a slog, but I finally fought my way around the back of the house. And like that,
You'll
I was
all be dead,
inside,
you bastards!
none the worse for wear. I passed Dirty
Better
Dave,
than a rat in a trap!
and upstairs I found Billy and Charlie Bowlby.
Huh, you like that?
Billy looked at me and said, "About time, amigo! Grab a gun and get to the window!"
Wait, so you were friends with Billy the Kid?
Yeah, sort of. Anyway, we were surrounded by dozens of deputized shooters who wanted to do us harm.
Keep this up all day!
I think I got one!
I'm telling you, Garrett's men were dropping like flies, but they just kept on coming.
He's missing all the action! Damn ears are ringing!
We've got company!
when Charlie got hit. "They're catching us in a crossfire," shouted Billy. "Get to the other side!"
You can't take us all, huh?
Of those cocksuckers I personally put down, but it was pretty clear, even to Billy, that maybe discretion was the better part of valor.